All right, traders, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of the Tickblaze social network, also known as an open source peer-to-peer community. Now, the reason we did this was we built Tickblaze around an open source social network because we know that traders love to take advantage of education, sharing their trades, learning from other traders, accessing indicators and strategies for their trading. And we all know that everybody's heard of Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and Twitter, and many traders will go to forums to try to find indicators and strategies without having to spend thousands of dollars, right? So what we did was we decided that we weren't just going to build a trading platform. We were going to build our trading platform around a social network so that we can encourage peer-to-peer sharing. We can ultimately provide an infrastructure for learning and accessing software, and provide a place for traders and developers and vendors to all come together and thrive. So what you're looking at now is a desktop and a workspace that I've built inside of the Tickblaze platform. And you'll notice there's a button at the top. It says community. This button directly brings you to the Tickblaze community, which is hosted on the web. And when you click it, it's going to open up a browser. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this browser down and just open this up here. And you're going to see that this is where basically the Tickblaze community is hosted. Now, this is an open source community. It's very much a peer-to-peer sharing environment. And the goal is for you to create an account. You can come up here and you can see you can create a profile. I'll go into my profile for a second, and you can actually add taglines, and you can put your email in here, and you can put social media links, and you can put links to your company, and you can put links to your YouTube or whatever it is you'd like to do. If you're a trader, you can put your social platforms in here. If you're a developer or if you're an influencer, you can put your links in here as well. And it all starts here, right? You have to start within the community. And you're gonna notice that if you come down and you click on top posts, you're gonna see posts that are new and posts that are trending. People are posting, I've been posting, other instructors have been posting, traders are posting their trades, strategies, code, layouts, etc. Eventually there'll be a section for live streams, so traders can actually run their live streams through the platform. There's a section on compliance. I think it's very important that you read this because this is not a Discord. This is not a chat room. This is a community. And so the only thing we will allow is for you to post value. If there is anybody in here that is basically posting anything of slander or anything of garbage that doesn't bring any actual relevance to the community, their post will be removed from our compliance teams and they will be banned from the community. Now, it's very important you understand this because, you want to be kind, you don't want to be spamming, you want to share properly, and you want to stay on topic. Make sure that it's relevant. Read this stuff. It's very, very important because it will keep you in the game. Now, there is a risk disclaimer because obviously being in the financial markets, you want to be aware of the risks, but also aware of the posting. There's going to be people uploading code in here. There's going to be people uploading files. You're going to be able to download resources. And the platform that we're using to host this community already has a built-in layer of security so they can actually check for viruses and so forth, so you're not downloading files on your computer that have a threat. But please make sure that you have an antivirus and you have resources on your computer just to double layer the layer of safety, okay? Now, there's a very important video on how-to. I created a how-to post. This video is going to walk you through how to post in the community, how to share into the community, how to upload code, how to upload zip files and pictures and images, and also how to share directly from the platform, okay? Now, you're going to go through the different categories. There's going to be categories on education and strategies. Within these different sections, there's actually subdirectories. So if you want to learn on indicators, if you want to learn on risk management, you want to learn on different asset classes, maybe you're a futures trader and you want to learn Forex, you can come in here and you can actually learn, or you could post for others to learn, right? Layouts and themes. Let's say you wanted to learn how to download my workspaces or my layouts. Maybe I wanted to share a zip file, or I wanted to share my layout. You can see I posted different files in here. You can come in here, you can click. You'll see there's a zip file in here. You can actually access that and import that into Tickblaze. This is going to be a big one. This is going to be a really, really big place for you and everybody else because you're going to want to download indicators and strategy scripts. And let's face it, the industry is expensive. So if you can download access to indicators and bar types and strategies without having to pay for them, this is where it's going to be. There's going to be a section in here for scripts. You can click on here and you'll be able to download indicators, download strategies, everything else that could be coded into the platform. You can click on this and there's actually going to be scripts for C# and also Python. So depending on what strategies and scripts you're looking for, you can access them. Now, if you're a developer, this is going to be very important. So if you're somebody that's coding or writing strategies or indicators into the platform, this is where you're going to go for all of your how-tos and references. If I click in here, you're going to be able to find resources from our development team that has basically put together information on our API. And you're going to notice that there's custom indicators and there's draw tools, strategies, order management, bar types, driven, extensibility. You'll notice down here that if you want to basically get started for coding into the platform, you can access our NuGet package. If you're a developer, you'll know what that means. You'll also be able to come down here and access our GitHub repository. This is very, very important for those of you that are programmers. But let's say you're a vendor and you want to code your strategies or your indicators. Some of you will post your open source code into the community for sharing. That's really important because this is an open source community. But some of you want to also sell your software into Tickblaze and you want to protect your code. If you click in here, there's going to be a document with a whole bunch of different companies that we've checked and vetted for you to be able to obfuscate your software as well as license your code. And we work with multiple third-party vendors that you can actually use to basically protect and sell your software. For those of you that want to access our GitHub, you can access it here. And if you need any help developing into our API or basically getting access to our resources, you can definitely do that as well by just contacting us and we'll put you in touch with our development team, okay? So it's a very, very good resource for you to actually take advantage of if you're a programmer or if you're just someone that wants to download indicators and you want to access other people's software. Think of this as like a forum on steroids, right? If you've ever been to the forums and you get access to indicators, us at the platform level, we're going to be posting a ton of indicators in here for free and a lot of strategies for free. I know some of our partners like ArcAI and some of our vendor partners are going to be posting software in here as well. So be sure to be on the lookout for awesome indicators and awesome strategies. We have a section in here for quants, building, backtesting, and optimizing strategies. So you can definitely come in here and take a look at this. You can contribute to this. I highly encourage if you have experience on building, testing, and optimizing systems. This is going to be filled with a lot of people's trades. If you come in here and click on live trades, you're going to notice that like me and a lot of other traders will be posting our trades and talking about our strategies, and you'll be able to actually post your information in here and actually take a look at this. So this is going to be a really great place for you to actually show and kind of share your wins. For those of you that are trading in prop firms, this is going to be heavily populated with prop firms. Also with prop firm partners, you're going to have stuff on passing evals and getting and staying funded and how to do reviews. If you have opinions on prop firms or if you've had experiences with them, you can write your experience in here. I really encourage this to a lot of traders because there's a lot of people trading for prop firms in this industry. There's going to be a section on brokers, especially our broker partners. So basically you'll have the ability to come in and comment on brokers, share different opinions on the brokers that you're trading with. And we're also going to have brokers coming in here and posting some of their pros and cons and resources for you to take advantage of, our partners. So be sure to be on the lookout for our connectivity partners with the different exchanges and liquidity providers. Now, as a leaderboard, this is important because what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be basically giving away contests. We're really big on gamification and basically encouraging people to be an active contributor. You're going to see that there's different people posting a lot of different posts month to month. Who's the winner of the month? Who's the winner of the week, etc. We're going to be giving away contests, and I think it's even in the talks with our team that we're going to be giving away like all-inclusive vacations for those that post the most posts and add the most value. You'll also be able to go in here and actually see who's really adding value to the community and who's actually posting stuff that's relevant. And you can go and check if they're a vendor or if they're a trader. You might be able to take advantage of their software, their strategies directly in the platform, okay? Now, if you ever need any help with the support side of the platform, you can come in here. There's video training that's gonna link to our YouTube channel. There's a documentation for our wiki. You can come in here and you can go to our FAQs. But if you ever want to come in and just get white glove installation, you can contact our support team. Or if you ever find a bug or on the platform, or if you ever want to request a feature, maybe you want something built into the platform, you can do that as well. Just be sure to check out our resources here for your advantage, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to show you how to do a post into the community directly from the platform. Why is this important? Is because maybe you want to build a strategy or you want to build an indicator. Maybe you coded a custom indicator and you want to take a picture of your layouts and you want to post that into the community under scripts, right? Maybe you've built a hybrid RSI or a MACD super 123 or whatever the case that is, right? You can literally come to the right clicking of the chart, come down to share and hit screen, right? What that's going to do is it's going to create a pop-up where it's going to take a picture of your chart. Now let's say I want to do this and I want to call this the MACD Super Trader, right? And this is a demo, right? I can come down here and I can go down to scripts. Let's find scripts, indicators, and algos. Let's say I want to post it into indicator scripts. I click here and let's just put this as a demo post, right? Like obviously this is for example purposes. If I come in here and I click share, what it's going to do now is it's going to basically upload this into the community, okay? And it's going to give us the opportunity to basically edit the post. Why is this important? Especially if you're uploading indicators, you need to add the scripts and the code to the post. If you're just posting into different sections of the platform here for, let's say, your trades or you're doing education posts, then essentially what you want to do is you want to just put content and pictures. But if I'm actually uploading indicators or if I'm adding anything like a workspace or a desktop, you need to upload the file. So you're going to come in here and you're going to see it's here. You can come in, you can edit the post. And what we always encourage you to do is, put a really detailed explanation like this is a post of my MACD Super Trader indicator, right? And like, we really want you to post your videos or your pictures at the top of your post. So if you're going to write a lot of text, do it below the post, because ultimately we want to see the image at the top of your post. If you don't follow those practices, we're going to contact you and we're going to say, hey, you need to edit your post, because we want the videos and want the images to be front and center. You could basically post a bunch of stuff. And then let's say you wanted to open source your code. Let's say you're a developer looking to build a following, or let's say you're somebody that just wants to share open code. You're not really selling your products. You could come in here and you could find called code block. You can enter the code and you can upload C# code and you can type the code in here, right? And then you can basically just click out of here, okay? And just like that, okay? And let's say you want to go and you want to add a bulleted list, right? You could do that. You can change it, right? So it's really up to you how you want to post in here. If you want to add an attachment, you can come in here and you can add an attachment. If you want to add a video, you can add an image, you can add pictures, you can do everything you can possibly imagine inside of this community. If you want to add social links to your platform and link back to your YouTube or to your business website. If you're going to upload the source code in a zip file, you can click in here to add the zip file. And then you can also add different tags so that you can basically tag for easy finding. Now I'm going to cancel this post and I'm going to delete this post because obviously this is not a real post, right? But if you come down here and you just look at some of the posts that I've posted, you're going to see that I've been posting trades, I've been posting strategies, images, different types of different kind of posts, and you can post whatever you want. The whole point of this is getting social and sharing with other people. So the goal here was you can either access it from the community. I'll show you another place where you can go to access this. Essentially, if you click on the Tickblaze website and you go to the community website, here you click on the page, you're going to need to come down and click on the community button, which is going to bring you right into the community. If you've never created an account, you need to register your account. Please note that if you have not downloaded the platform and registered into an account, you'll have very limited access. You'll be able to view things, but you won't be able to post or get social. If you want to download software or download code, you're going to need an account, which means you'll need to download Tickblaze and you'll need to actually register in the community. If you have a membership or you're on a free trial, you'll have full access to the software and the actual community. So be mindful of that. It's really not hard to do. You just hit join Tickblaze and you actually get started, right? So for those of you that have questions on the community, you can always just go. There's other videos inside the community that'll help you. But if you ever need any help, just shoot us an email. We're just a phone call away. And the biggest lesson that I can share here is that there's going to be a lot of value here for you to take advantage of. Education is for free. Software is for free, strategies are for free. And my only request is that you add as much value as you take, right? Post valuable information, post valuable software, post strategies, post your trading. Be very specific with your posts. If we see that you're posting lackluster information, we will remove it because we have a firm policy on the quality of the posting. We need them to be very comprehensive, very visual, full of images, full of videos, full of content, full of code, full of software, okay? So once again, if you need any assistance, let us know. You can access the community directly in the platform here or right-click and share value. Take care, traders, and we'll see you in the next video.